In this video, I will show you how to add a directory to your path in Ubuntu using the terminal. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard. To see your current path, type this command, echo $path. Then press Enter. This will show a list of folders where your system looks for programs. Now let's say you have a folder called MyBin in your home directory. You want your system to look inside this folder when running commands. To do that temporarily, type this, export spacepath equals $home/mybin:$path, then press Enter. Now your folder is in the path, but this change will only last until you close the terminal. To make the change permanent, you need to add the same line to your .bashrc file. Type this command, echo export path equals $home/mybin:$path $:\bashrc. Then press Enter. Now apply the changes by typing source $:bashrc, then press Enter again. To confirm it worked, type echo $path. You should now see your MyBin folder listed in the output, and that's it. Now you know how to add a directory to your path in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.